Good day, everyone. My name is Bimildo Avancenia from Naga Ace Chapter, Southern Luzon area. I am pleased to present to you our business model. We are focused on the three S's of food production, which are food security, food safety, and food sustainability. Food security refers to the ability to have food during any calamities, either man-made or natural calamity. Food safety refers to the quality of food which are safe to eat, produced properly, and handled properly as well. Food sustainability refers to the availability of foods whole year round and must be sustainable in any weather or season of the year. Living in an area where typhoon is an annual occurrence, I learned firsthand the difficulties of getting food supply during this period. Currently, I am into crop production. I am growing eggplant and squash alternately. Having a limited space for planting, I cannot grow one crop for the entire year. Crop rotation is required to control pests and plant diseases. This limits my ability to supply the required volume of eggplants and squash in the market. Currently, I have 1,000 kilos requirements to be delivered every week, both for eggplant and squash. This is where a business idea lights up. There are a lot of backyard growers among members of our stake for both vegetables and livestock. The Academy for Creating Enterprise and the humanitarian arm of the church has given a lot of home-based livelihood projects. Market linkages are needed for them to be sustainable as well. On the other hand, I realized that we have a good number of consumer groups of about 2,800 households. This is the total household combined of the two stakes in our area. Having this information gives me an inspiration to create a system that can both help the backyard producer and also provide food security for our members' consumers. Thus, F3S Agribusiness Enterprises was created. To illustrate the whole concept of this business model, let's begin with the supply and demand object. Food is an essential or necessity of life. Demand is always there for food. The bigger the population, the greater the demand is. Demand is the problem. Supplying the demand is the solution. And providing solution is a business opportunity. Our goal is to integrate the produce from our backyard growers and add it to the product inventory that we have, thus increasing our supply capacity. With our existing market, where we are supplying vegetables produced in volume quantity but in a wholesale price, we will be able to increase our profit margin if we will sell our produce in a retail basis. And it will likewise offer lower price for the members' consumers by eliminating the traders or middlemen in the deliveries of goods. What do we do to provide solution to this demand? Two basic steps to create a supply chain. Number one is food production. In food production, we plant, we grow, we harvest, we consolidate produce from our backyard growers, and we establish a planting and production calendars with all partners producers to have a continuous production of goods throughout the year. And last but not the least, we provide technical assistance and planting guide for efficient production. Number two is market linkages or customer connection. We have an existing contract with the wholesale market, which unfortunately we could not fill because of our limited production capacity. We established a web-based store where our members' consumer can buy online with minimal delivery charge. Considering we are geographically small, a motorcycle deliveries will not be an issue. F3S Agribusiness Enterprises will act as the core service provider for members producer for the buying of their produce and selling or deliveries of goods to members consumers. We are totally convinced that this system will create an avenue for sustainability of our backyard producers and provide food security, food safety, and food sustainability for our members' consumers. We are open for partners and investors to scale up and widen the reach of our operation. Thank you very much.